तो बघ दिसतं बीच.
तोच सागर सांगतो ट्विंग कर
व्हिडिओ काढ आणि ट्विंग ट्विंग असं.
Just look at the approach to the beach. We are making our way to the only narrow path which is available over the cliff. We have come to witness the sunrise at Taramumri beach, but then we decided to do some exploring, and guess what we have discovered? Look at this.
Not us.
Wow, this is a virgin beach. There's no access from anywhere, but we still discovered it.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And
We have just discovered a beach in Devgarh, and it was a virgin beach as it doesn't have any access from anywhere. We were finally able to get to the beach at the time of sunrise. It was tremendous fun. Just look at the approach of the beach. The beach is somewhere there. So now we are making our way from the only way out of the beach, which is very hidden and is a secret. That's the beach over there.
say if you love grows as your heart shows. Only time. We gotta.
Look at this path. We are walking over the cliffs. There's the beach somewhere.
Can't say why your heart sighs as your love flies. Only time. And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies. Only time.
So the only information that I can give right now is do not attempt to approach this beach from Devgarh side because there's jungle and there's no path. But from the other side, from Taramumri, there's a hidden path that if you venture out and discover, you will be able to see a proper path.